I slept out, and then you crept out. You're in the west now I'm stressed out. I'm on the east side, I'm with my G's like, you know she cheating, you're on some weak ting. Should be a G ting, Gallus and the free ting, Champs and the weed ting, enemies leaking. She with an ex-man, now he's a dead man. I don't smoke no more. You see the trees on the floor, autumn leaves in the fall. Heads cleared up, my boy got sections, sex turned shit. Couldn't get erections, got stressed out. Baby mother in the house saying that our youth's gonna pick up the habit. All up in my habitat, can't do my thing, so I'm only on sipping now. Sent for the drink. Hennessy for birthdays got me in the worst way. Know that I'm a DJ, but I sip straight. Never with the mixer, foggy in the picture. Fight on the way home, knife to my dome. Wartime general, head's not clear, so I gotta drop the drink, gotta face all my fears. Uncle on the eye-towel, diet like Marley, moving like a Rasta in the market, Garvey, ride on a Harley, fit like an E, so I take shots clear when I bark at my enemies, catch him on the high road, now a nigga sober, ain't no escaping, life will be over, when I send shots with my mind all clear, my bullets aim straight, you can die right here, a sign right here from the 5 and the O, so the soul had to leave, yeah the G had to go, shouldn't be fucking with the gangsters, take no red up in my eyes, but there's blood up on your skin like whoa. Fuck about.